These stones weather 10,000 storms, hold nature's hidden art. Most see only rocks I see possibilities. Today, we transform this unremarkable stone into a mother's love made tangible. A college-bound daughter, a busy vegetable shop owner, and 48 hours of carving. This is the story of the dancing clay pearl. Beneath this rugged surface lies jade that harder than steel, yet glowing like morning dew. At 18 years old, both the stone and the recipient await new beginnings. Beneath this rugged surface lies jade that harder than steel, yet glowing like morning dew. At 18 years old, both the stone and the recipient await new beginnings. "108 scales, one for each market day," his mother worked while her daughter studied. The shells, rings, and decorations their time made visible, growth recorded in stone. "12 polishing stages transform rough edges into liquid light. From coarse grit to soup pads we chase the perfect glow that says I'm proud without words." The moment of truth will our pearl dance. Quick sound, perfect movement. Now it breathes half stone, half water, just like a parent's love, enduring yet fluid. For the mother who traded vegetables dollars for carving time, this stone holds all her unsaid words. Through every class attended alone, through every silent meeting, you were always my treasure. If this ancient craft moved you, tap the heart note for me. But so more silent love stories can find their voice in stirring. Keep the world's handmade wonders alive, one shared story at a time.